Hello friends, how are you? Fine? Okay. Today we are discuss about the role of profit in business organization. Let us we try to understand what is the role of profit in the business organization. Source of income. Profit is a source of the income because all the business organizations merge the income investment in the business due to the higher profit. So profit is the important source of the income for the organizations because it's help to the increase the size of the organizations, increase the investment of the organizations. Next, source of finance. More profits create a more savings, and it's help to the increase the financial positions, just like a greater reserve and the different investment, which help to the maintain the financial situations of the business carefully. Indicator of efficiency. Higher profits indicate the higher efficiency of the work. If organizations work a well settled manner, he gain the more profit, and it show the efficiency of the work of a manager. So higher profits indicate the higher efficiency of the work and the management of the organization. Return to investors. Higher profits help to the return the investor. When a company established, when an organization is established, he take a loan, issue of shares, and the other sources are created to the capital. So that times he have to must be a return all the amounts. So more profits help the return all the investors and the investments. Reward for the risk taking. Profit is the reward for the taking risks because the entrepreneurs invested capital to earn more profit. If he is a failure, there is a no profit. It is the causes of the loss. But a higher taking risk in a business, it take the higher profit. Market is established to more risk factors. So all the investments making some more risk. When more profits are help to the taking more risk because it's a settle the all other types of the losses of the business. Enhance market standing. More profits create the more financial backgrounds. If you are entered in the market, it is very tough to established here because there is a cut and through competition overall in the market. So when we are established in the market, because the backbone of the financial strongness, we are not stable in the market. So profits help to the create a backbone to the financial conditions of organizations, and he also established the market. Profit also create the long establishment of the business, and he also create the goodwill in the market. So profits create the more establishment in the market through the financial help, through the increasing of the goodwill, through the enhance the productivity. So profit is the more important factor to overall establish the business in the market. So I think you will understand what is the role of profit in the market. Thank you.